This is part two of two Jackpot Handpays and big wins too that I had on Rakin Bacon when playing it for over 2 hours. My longest session ever on a game. I've skipped around to bonuses on both videos so they weren't over an hour long. I'm not usually showing the progressive feature picks because they were always the mini or minor. Enjoy! Back ahead. Well, we're way ahead because of that Jackpot Handpay, but I mean from the original 300 I put in, plus that Jackpot Handpay. This is why I keep chasing that grand up there until that's won. These machines are paying. Starts where part one ended. If you didn't see part one, it's linked right here. Go watch it first.
Glenn and JC for $2 limit.
Well, since we're on 352, I'll try the 5 spins again. I should know, they haven't been working out. Ooh, well, it's nice to get a re-trigger on the 5 and $276 on the 352 bets. Pretty good. Thank you, Rakin Bacon. My piggy winked at me. Be funny to get another re-trigger, wouldn't it? 2 spins left. We got our big win bonus there. Ooh, my God, I don't believe it. I have never had 2 re-triggers on any of them, and I just got another hand pay. Second hand pay of the day on Rakin Bacon. I think my Rakin Bacon loves me. It really paid off for 5 spins. I know, some of you want to say, I told you so, I told you so. But you saw the other 5 spins. Okay, we've got some more spins coming here. Can't believe I got 2 re-triggers here. And you know I love that piggy. I love having almost a full screen of him. I think we wore it out. Oh my gosh, again? Very nice, 384. And 2 spins left. And again. Nice. Okay, beautiful hand pay. Thank you. And on a 352 bet. We will be back after I get my hand pay. Okay, that was our second hand pay today on Rakin Bacon. I don't know if I'll show them in the same video. I might split them up. So maybe you already saw the first one. I am going to continue to chase because I'm so much ahead. Rakin Bacon's being so good to me. You know, I switched machines. The one on the right to me is the one I had the first hand pay on. And I might switch machines again if anybody leaves. Though I did see a lady recently get 2 hand pays on the same machine on Rakin Bacon. It could happen. Let's jump forward to our next bonus. Alright, we're not going to go with 5 on the 528, even though it worked out fabulously on the 352. Sorry, camera shut off for a few seconds, but we're back. Well, how about that? We got enough 15 extra spins. Thank you. Something good might happen. Who's green of that piggy? Come on. Or the gold bars. Good thing we got the re-trigger. We have a lot of dead spins. We need money to rain down again. That's a little better. 6 spins left. Well, it's a good thing they gave us 30 spins. That was tough. I don't think we will pick 15 again today. Ooh, that came quick. Oh heck, we'll go for the 5 again. I don't think it'll re-trigger, but we'll try. Well, that was nice on a 352. That was better than our higher bet bonus with 20 spins. Well, actually 30 spins. It was 30 spins. Okay, last spin coming up. Nice one. Almost a big win again. Okay, let's see if we can get more bonuses. I got more bonuses, but it took a long time to get the next one, so we're going to jump ahead. Oh, one more shot at the 880 bonus. I wonder if I should pick 15. 10 hasn't been doing too good. Yeah, we'll stick with 10. We need money to rain down. Come on, Rakin Bacon. That was a nice one. More of those. Okay, my big money today has been on the 352 bet and the 528, not the 880. So let's go to 352 again. Time for our next bonus, and I had changed the bet to 528. Yay, we got a bonus. Yeah, we'll stick with 10.
Nice. That is great. Now let's see what 20 spins can do. 15 spins on 352 did wonderful since it was an initial 5 spins. But my other times when it's re-triggered today, not so much. Maybe this will be different. Bring back my raining down money. Sometimes it just seems the more spins you get, the worse it is. Come on, Rakin Bacon, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Yes, that's what I was looking for. Okay. Thank goodness I had the 20 spins because I would have been out. 7 spins ago. Okay, we have 3 spins left. And we have another big win bonus. Rakin Bacon is hot today. Thank you.
George, 5-minute limit, George.
Let us go back down to the 352 bet. If it does bonus way on the 352 bet, we'll try 5 spins again. Well, we're going to have to do 5 spins. I said we would. I don't think we'll see another 5 spins like what we saw earlier with the Handpay, but hey, it's good to see all sides. Yeah, now that is my typical bonus I get on 5 spins. So just remember that when you're thinking of taking 5 spins. That Handpay was a real fluke on 5 spins.
Time to jump ahead again, this time to a good line hit, and then there's a bonus that follows.
Ooh, nice. Love my diamonds. Wish I could get the diamonds in the grand. Well, should it be the 10 again? Okay, 10 again. nice one.
Here's something like that. Oh, thinking.
Try to get a little closer there. Ooh, nice. Oh my gosh, I love those gold bars. Those gold bars are so nice to me today. Okay, nice bonus. I liked that one. Okay, maybe we'll go to, let's see, 352 for a bit. Try the 880 again. So far, 880 has not been a lucky bet for us. So I'm thinking, what, 15 this time? See what 15 will do with the 880.
Eric, $2 limit, Eric.
Well, 15 didn't do very good on the 880 either. Maybe I should just stay away from the 880 bet. It seems to be an unlucky bet. However, we're doing great here. 2 hand pays and the ticket's over 1,000 briefly. I love my Rakin Bacon. Very nice on 352. Nice one. Nice again. Love my diamond rings. I just wish Piggy would give me diamonds in the progressive.
What a run! But that's it for our bonuses and win. I stayed a little too long at this party, but as of today, when I'm posting this video, that grand still has not been won.
Hey, I had 2 hand pays, big wins, great run. Started out with 300, and I had this back up to 1500, but then the luck changed. So it is time to cash out. We will be back another day, see if that grand has been won or not. In the meantime, good luck, have fun, and cheers.